Welcome back, everybody, as I take you on another day trip from Port Ludlow, Washington. Today, we're going to visit beautiful downtown Water Street in Port Townsend, Washington. And then we'll go out to Fort Worden for a little bit, too. Winters can be long here in Pacific Northwest. So when you get a couple of weeks like we've had this January, it's hard to sit in the office when you got this outside. There's my one wheel. That's how I get around while I'm doing these photo shoots instead of having to park my car and remember where I put it. Now we're at Fort Worden. These are the old officers' houses. Marine Science exhibit. Beautiful Mount Baker. Just spectacular scenery all around the Olympic Peninsula, particularly in the Port Townsend, Port Ludlow area. Recreational opportunities abound. So, now that you've had a taste, hope you'll come out here and see us. If you decide to move out here, give me a call. Happy to help you. I'm Bryan Diehl, and as always, thanks for watching.